Are you looking for the top 5 best underdesk walking pads to boost your productivity? Which underdesk walking pad is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Hueno Electric Standing Desk. The Hueno 32-inch small electric standing desk immediately caught my attention with its compact design and unbeatable price of $74.99. If you want a desk that accommodates your underdesk treadmill while saving space, this is worth a serious look. This desk features a 32 by 19-inch surface that's perfect for tight spaces, making it ideal for home offices or small apartments. Plus, it has 4 programmable height presets, allowing you to switch between sitting and standing with just one touch. This matters because constant movement helps you stay focused and energized throughout your workday. Users are raving about its solid construction, supporting up to 176 pounds and ensuring stability while you work or walk. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it's a reliable partner for your productivity. This is perfect for you if you need a small, functional desk that fits well with your underdesk walking pad. Skip this one if you're looking for something larger or more elaborate. For the price, it's an excellent value.
Product number 2, Foldable Treadmill Mat. The foldable treadmill mat is a must-have for anyone looking to protect their floors while using an underdesk walking pad. Priced at just $24.99, it's a budget-friendly solution that caught my eye. If you want to keep your space clean and minimize noise, this is worth checking out. This mat is designed to fit under your treadmill, whether on carpet or hardwood floors. Its non-slip surface helps keep your treadmill stable during use, preventing any unwanted movement. Plus, it's waterproof and absorbs shock, which protects both your floors and your equipment from damage. Here's why this matters. Keeping your equipment protected ensures it lasts longer, saving you money in the long run. It has garnered positive reviews for its durability and effectiveness in noise reduction. However, some users mention that it can slide a bit on slick surfaces. But honestly, a little repositioning isn't a deal breaker when you consider the protection it provides. This is perfect for you if you want to protect your flooring while you walk and work. Skip this if you're looking for something with additional features or a larger size. It's a great value for maintaining your setup while keeping everything tidy. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want to combine work and fitness more seamlessly.
Product number 3, Walking Pad Desk Adjustable Height. Next up is the Walking Pad Desk Adjustable Height with handlebar, priced at $79.99. This caught my attention for its innovative design that combines a desk and walking pad in one. If you want a setup that allows you to work while walking comfortably, this is worth a serious look. This product features a sturdy desk attachment that keeps your laptop stable as you walk. It's adjustable in height, so you can find the perfect setup for your height and comfort. What's great here is that it encourages movement while you work, which can help improve your focus and productivity over time. Users have praised it for its solid construction and ease of use, making it a popular choice for remote workers. On the downside, some users felt that the handlebar could be more ergonomic, but honestly, if you're mainly using it while walking at a slow pace, it's not that big of a deal. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution that keeps you active during the workday. Skip this if you prefer a standalone walking pad without the desk feature. It's a good option for those looking to opt.
Product number 4, HA HHH Walking Pad with Handlebar. Coming in strong, we have the HA HHH Walking Pad with Handlebar, priced at $179.99. This compact treadmill really caught my attention with its robust features. If you're after a reliable walking pad that can handle a variety of speeds and is easy to set up, this one deserves your attention. This walking pad boasts a 3.0 HP motor that operates quietly, allowing you to use it during meetings or watching TV without disturbing others. It has a speed range from 0.6 to 7.6 mph, making it suitable for both walking and light jogging. That flexibility is crucial for your routine, as you can easily switch between levels of intensity based on your day. Users have noted its durability, supporting up to 350 pounds, which is impressive for a walking pad. However, some have complained about its size being a bit larger than expected, but honestly, if you're looking for something that provides stability and a solid workout, the extra space is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a sturdy option that adapts to your fitness needs.
Skip this if you're tight on space or want something ultra compact. It's a strong choice for anyone serious about integrating walking into their daily routine. Now, if you're looking to protect your investment.
Product number 5, A-Tech Under-Desk Treadmill Cover. Finally, we have the A-Tech Under-Desk Treadmill Cover, priced at $19.99. This simple, practical cover caught my eye for its protective qualities. If you want to shield your walking pod from dust and dirt, this is a great option to consider. Measuring 56 inches by 28, this cover fits most under-desk treadmills, providing a barrier against household dirt, debris, and moisture. The waterproof feature is critical because it keeps your investment protected from spills or accidental splashes, extending its lifespan. Users appreciate how easy it is to slip on and off thanks to its elastic hem. Here's why this matters. Protecting your walking pad means you can keep it in top shape for longer, saving you money on repairs or replacements. That said, some reviews indicate that it might not fit larger models perfectly, but honestly, for the price and the peace of mind it provides, most users find it a worthwhile purchase. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable way to protect your equipment without hassle. Skip this if your treadmill is significantly larger than standard sizes. It's a smart investment for keeping your walking pad in great condition. That wraps up our list of the top 5 under-desk.
So, we've covered the Huanuo electric standing desk, the foldable treadmill mat, the walking pad desk with handlebar, the Ha 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 walking pad, and finally the A-Tech treadmill cover. Each has its strengths and ideal users. Consider your specific needs and space constraints, and you're sure to find the right fit for a healthier, more productive work routine.